It's a quick and easy meal. If you keep these, how much easier can I make it, okay? If you keep these items in stock, you're gonna have some meals. It's gonna taste good. Come on now, you can't beat it. Go get you some fat-free Greek yogurt. You're getting your protein, mix this in, and that's your dipping sauce. It's not hard. All right, so I got a great question about how to make your meals taste better. Quit tasting so boring. You don't want to pack a bunch of fat into your meals. So in this video, I'm gonna show you some of the sauces that I like to use. Just come in clutch. All you need is your protein. So go get you some chicken breasts or some chicken thighs, some beef or pork or whatever you like to get down with. Get some type of protein and then just keep these items in your pantry or in the fridge so that you can make any kind of meal you want to. These sauces come in clutch. I use them all the time. I also like to mix some of these sauces together just to see what they taste like. Try it out. Mix a few sauces together. See if you like it. You know, maybe try to mix it a little bit like in a bowl first and then use it as a dipping sauce to see how you like it. Now, another way you can make any kind of sauce you want, most sauces out there, if you want to make them high protein, just go get you some fat-free yogurt. All right, grab you some fat-free yogurt, mix a little bit of these sauces that I'm going to show you into it, and you have a dipping sauce just like that. It's super simple. There's nothing to it. You can make your own sauces easily and you can add the protein in it. All right, so go get you some fat-free yogurt. Find you the sauce that you like, mix and match, see what you like, and add it into your routine. So check some of these ideas out. I'm gonna show you some of my favorites that I've had. I'm here at Walmart right now. You can find most of these at any of your local grocery stores or Target also sells sauces. So check some of these out and let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite sauces? All right, remember, we're trying to keep the calories and fats low, and you really have to watch out on these sauces as well. You really have to measure it out. I always say you gotta measure it. Make sure you're measuring it out, okay? So check this out. Now, one of my favorite sauces I like to add, especially with beef, is G Hughes sugar-free sauce. If you get down with G Hughes, you let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what your favorite G Hughes is. Now, my favorite is actually the Polynesian, which is hard to find. I found it one time at Walmart. I haven't seen it since then. That bottle is gone. I'm kind of sad. I can't find it nowhere, but hopefully, come on, G Hughes, you got to make a little bit more now. Come on. G Hughes sauce, you can't go wrong with it, all right? Tons of flavor, sugar-free, really low carb, really low calorie, all right? So go find you some G Hughes sauce. Now, check this out. This is a new one I found, all right? Now, I'm here at Walmart. They have a Tex-Mex. I've made this already using a couple different recipes. This is great, all right? Tex-Mex is really good. If you can get your hands on this one, go try it out, all right? Check your local Walmarts, check your local grocery store, see if you can find a Tex-Mex. If not, you can get any kind of G Hughes. They have all kinds of different ones. Let me grab another one. So you see they even have a sweet chili sauce. So man, these are great. All right, keep you some G Hughes in stock. Keep it in your pantry, in your fridge, because these really come in clutch, all right? Now what I like to do with G Hughes as well is always add some Frank's Red Hot, the buffalo sauce. This one tastes great, okay? Get you some Frank's Red Hot. If you can, I like to get the big one because I use this stuff all the time. Easy meal, grab you some chicken, add you some Frank's Red Hot, cauliflower rice or rice, whatever kind of carb you want to get down with, and that's a meal right there. Chicken breast, cook it up, a little bit of olive oil, add this to it. Man, you have a meal in minutes, high protein, tasty meal in minutes. That's one of my favorite meals right there. It's so simple, okay? Keep you some chicken breast in the fridge, chop it up, cook it up, under 10 minutes, add a little bit of this. Man, you're gonna have your high protein meal with the quickness. Now, what I like to do with the Frank's Red Hot is I'll mix them together a little. I told you about that mixing, okay? So what you can do, go get you some fat-free yogurt. All right, get your serving of fat-free yogurt, add you a little bit of this and a little bit of this, mix it around, see how it tastes. You're probably gonna like it. I'm trying to tell you, it tastes good, okay? If you don't want to, if you don't have fat-free yogurt, you can also just mix these two together, add them to beef, add them to steak. It just tastes great, all right? Even if you can't find a Tex-Mex, go get your favorite barbecue sauce, mix a little bit of this with it. It's gonna give it a lot of flavor. It's not that hot, so you don't have to worry about that, all right? All right, now next up, these two I'm excited about, okay? Now, I've used these before with chicken. These are great. I'm here at Walmart. Go check this out. Melinda's, this stuff right here is so good, all right? You only need a little bit of it. Cook you up, let's say about 5 ounces of chicken breast or chicken thighs, whatever kind of protein you want to go with, but add some of this right here, man. This stuff is good, okay? Try it out. Let me know what you think, but you have to measure it out, okay? Don't just go dump half this bottle on there. The calories will add up. Let me show you. The 1 teaspoon, all right? Teaspoon, not tablespoon, 1 teaspoon is 10 calories, okay? So think about it. If you go add a bunch of this on there, remember that it's gonna add up. Any of these sauces, you really need to be measuring them, okay? You can't dump it on there and wonder why you're not hitting your goals. I always say that, it is so important, okay? So go, man, you gotta check this out. Man, this stuff is so good. I'm trying to tell you, put on some chicken now. Trust me, trust me. Throw in some rice or some miracle noodles or however you wanna get down. I'm trying to tell you, it is good. It's a quick and easy meal. If you keep these, how much easier can I make it, okay? If you keep these items in stock, you're gonna have some meals. It's gonna taste good. Come on now, you can't beat it. Look, I'm trying to show you how to do it. Come on. Now look, you wanna fire it up a little bit. You wanna add a little heat. Put your little ghost pepper on there. Melinda's coming with the ghost pepper too. Now, this is less calories, but it's got fire in it, all right? So if you need a little heat, try this out. Look for Melinda's. This stuff is good. It goes great with chicken. I haven't tried it with beef yet. I'll tell you what, that's coming though. But man, this stuff goes great with chicken, all right? You gotta try this out, okay? On this one right here, 1 teaspoon is 0 calories, okay? So, you know, you can mix this in with the G Hughes barbecue sauce if you want to. Mix it together a little bit. See how you like that flavor. I'm trying to tell you, your meals will never be boring again. Your boring old chicken breast will never be boring again as long as you sauce it up correctly. Make your own sauces. Just make them. Like I said, if you want a high protein version, all the sauces you see out there, they're just Greek yogurt based. I'm trying to tell you, all right? Go get you some fat-free Greek yogurt. You're getting your protein, mix this in, and that's your dipping sauce. It's not hard, all right? You got to try this out, all right? Get you some chicken, try some Melinda's. Come on now, they taste good. Let's go. All right, so I just saw a lady, man, she had a great idea. She got a rotisserie chicken, and she went and got some Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce. And I said, oh, you're about to make a meal now. She just smiled. She already knows, right? Yeah, rotisserie chicken, Frank's Red Hot. Come on now, game over right there. Low carb tortillas, cauliflower rice, jasmine rice, miracle noodles. You have a meal right there. She was walking out there with that rotisserie chicken. Man, it's so good. Rotisserie chicken is so good. I might give me one too. But anyways, let me tell you what else I found here. This is something that I like to keep on me in stock because I've been to certain places. Like if I go to a fast food place, I'll usually just order like the chicken breast. All right, just chicken breast by themselves. So I usually get me like 2 of those. Okay, so if I go to a burger place, I usually order like 2 chicken breasts and maybe a mustard on the side because a lot of times they charge for the hot sauce now. But look at this. Boom, just take your own little hot sauce. Melinda's got you covered. Check that out. This little hot sauce right here, you can easily pack this. No more excuses. Get you a side of mustard, add your little bit of this in there. Game over. Game over. You stay ready with something like this. I'm trying to tell you, take your little bottle like this, a little packable bottle. There's no more excuse. You take it to the restaurant with you, take it anywhere. This is a way to make your boring food taste better. This goes good in chicken. You can put it on your tacos. You can put it on anything. All right, put it on your eggs. It don't matter. But I'm trying to show you ways you can help your boring food taste better, and you're going to want to keep it in rotation. That's what it's all about. All right. So if you use stuff like this, you will stay ready. All right, so that's it. So I'm gonna go home. I have some chicken breasts at the house. I still have some miracle noodles. I'm probably gonna make a chicken breast, miracle noodles, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this to it, okay? All right, I'm trying to tell you, it's so good. It's so easy. I know it's gonna be a quick and easy meal. I'm gonna add this to it and it's gonna taste amazing. On the side, I have some broccoli at the house, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some of that. And that's your meal right there. You got chicken. If you want some carbs, I recommend you going with jasmine rice. That's my favorite kind of rice right there. I like to get the ones you throw in the microwave. So simple, all right? If you don't want the carbs, go with some miracle noodles, go with some cauliflower rice, go with some lettuce wraps, tricolor coleslaw, however you want to get down. There's so many different ways, all right? Choose what fits into your personal diet. Get your protein first, measure out how much chicken you need to get your protein. Try to get you around 35 to 40 grams of protein in this meal. And then you sauce it up and you got whatever base you want to use. You got your meal. And I mean, there's just no more excuses. All right, try these meals out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you would change. Have you tried some of these sauces? And what are some of your favorite sauces as well? I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.